Did you know my toilet used to run constantly after every single flush? And it drove me crazy until I figured out why. I ignored it for weeks, thinking it would just stop on its own. It didn't. Instead, my water bill kept creeping up, and that annoying trickling sound never seemed to end. So I decided to dig into it myself, and I found there are really just 3 main reasons this happens. 3. My flapper wasn't sealing properly. The first thing I checked was the flapper, that rubber piece at the bottom of the tank. Mine had gotten warped and brittle over time, so it wasn't sitting flat anymore. Every time I flushed, water kept slowly leaking past it into the bowl, which kept triggering the fill valve to run. I grabbed a replacement flapper for a few dollars, popped it in, and that alone fixed a big part of the problem. 2. My float was set too high. Next, I noticed my float, the part that tells the tank when to stop filling, was sitting higher than it should. That meant water kept rising until it spilled into the overflow tube, and my toilet just kept running to compensate. I adjusted the float arm down a bit so the water shuts off before it reaches that overflow line, and the constant refilling stopped almost instantly. 1. My fill tube was in the wrong spot. The last thing I checked was the small fill tube connected to my float. It had slipped down and was sitting underwater instead of above the water line. That was causing a constant trickling noise, even when nothing seemed wrong on the surface. I clipped it back onto the overflow pipe where it belonged, and the noise disappeared completely. Once I fixed all 3 of these, my toilet finally stayed quiet after every flush, and my water bill went back to normal. If you're dealing with the same thing, hope this saves you some time, and if it helped, subscribe for more fixes like this.